Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm here to showcase to you my second altcoin of the day. The second altcoin that I've chosen to showcase to you is a bit of Uniswap today because we're in the midst of a massive breakout scenario here. I'm going to be going through the daily, probably the 4-hourly, and probably the 15-minute and the hourly for a bit of scalps as well for you scalpers out there. Like the video, helps me out tremendously in terms of the YouTube algorithms as well. And guys, I do this every single day. I stream every single morning, Monday to Friday. If you want to subscribe, press the notification bell. You know what to do. Now, let's get straight into it. Don't want to keep you guys too long. It's a nice quick update. As you can see here, guys, massive symmetrical triangle. We've got trap zones either side that we need to be aware of here. This is coming in from the all-time high from Uniswap around $45.18 there on an average. You can see the level of support that we are getting from these major trend lines here, and that's the level of support. You can see the level of resistance that we got set from this all-time high coming through here. These lower highs being set very strong indeed in terms of resistance, in terms of those pullbacks coming through there for Uniswap there. Now we're looking for potential breakout scenario here. And when I say a breakout scenario, I mean we're looking to break out to the upside, potential for a very big, juicy, long position that we could be looking for here, guys. In terms of percentages here, it's going to be pretty big, right? It's going to be pretty big. Let's do some percentages here. It's going to be around a 27.35% gain in terms of a long position there. Pretty crazy. Obviously, guys, we're going to be waiting to get in a bit. We're literally on the cusp of an entry here. We're on the cusp of an entry. As you can see, we're currently breaking these high points currently here, which is very good, very congruent in terms of an entry point. We just need a nice daily candle, probably daily candle close, probably above $27.50 there, and then we're going to be entering a lovely, juicy, big long position, basically longing it all the way up from around that $27.67 sort of area, and then we're basically going to be longing it up. First take profit is going to be around 4% there. We're probably going to bang a nice horizontal in there at $28.85. The next take profit is probably going to be around that point as well, around $29.74, and then basically riding that wave all the way up to the completion of the measure move. In terms of percentages there, we're going to be looking at around a 15% gain there. Really not too bad stuff indeed. Obviously, guys, nothing I say is financial advice. Please go do your own research on these positions that I am saying here. And then from there, obviously, once we hit our first take profit, we take our stop loss, we move our stop loss to our entry. And then if we do see any sort of reversal in terms of the price here, guys, we're going to get stopped out. Yes, we are, but the stop out is going to be at entry. We've already taken profit once. So at the end of the day, it's going to be a successful trade. It's still all good. It's still all good. And that's basically how we minimize losses completely. Let me jump down to the 4-hourly and see what's going on there, because we've got some quite interesting things as well coming through. We've got another symmetrical triangle I did speak about on this morning's stream, actually. You can see we've got another symmetrical triangle coming through here. We've got lovely higher lows being set continuously. We've got lovely lower highs being set continuously. Now, this is a very clean-cut breakout example here. Very good to see. Very nice to see, I would say, coming through there. In terms of a measure move for this, let me get rid of that for now. In terms of a measure move for this, as you can see, it's something along the lines of this going on the most recent uptrend there, guys. And basically, we're going to take that and we're going to move that to the breakout point there. Now, in terms of percentages for this gain, for anyone that did get in this morning, look around a 5% swing there. So really not too bad. Pretty good stuff indeed. But yeah, this position's basically pretty much gone now, guys. But yeah, well done to anyone that did get involved with that. But yeah, what I would say is just wait for that daily close here on this $27.50 line. That's going to be the really crucial point. If we can get a daily close above that, we're looking definitely to take another leg up from there. Let me jump down to the hourly, see if we can get some something for the scalpers coming through there. Nothing really too congruent to say here, apart from that breakout scenario that we did see on the 4-hourly. So yeah, I'm going to be rounding off the video there, guys. It's a nice quick 4-minute update for you, but you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. I do this every single day. And your likes do not go unappreciated. They do help me out tremendously. But yeah, I will see you next for my third altcoin of the day, which is going to be Chainlink. But for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.